What's up, everybody? Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Say, hey.
No.
Nah, 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 nah.
No.
Okay.
Murder on the beat.
Alright, what's up, y'all? This is meech.rocky, and for today's video, we will be doing the Beanboozled challenge.
If you guys are not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below and turn on your post notifications so you guys can get to see when we upload a new video.
Alright, now without further ado, we gonna start this thing. Alright, this is Beanboozled beans, jelly beans. They got, let's see, well, let's start off with the flavors. So they have spoiled milk, coconut, dead fish, strawberry banana smoothie, rotten egg, anyways.
Barf, booger, stinky socks,
Canned dog food,
chocolate pudding,
pencil shaving. Pencil shaving, really?
yeah,
I'm gonna let you eat that one. Tutti
coconut. You won't know if you get it or not.
fruity. Juicy pear and minion bark.
And toothpaste.
I already said toothpaste.
Oh, okay.
And sour apple.
You forgot the strawberry banana smoothie.
I already said that.
Oh.
Yeah. And banana. Why they spell it like this?
What?
Banana. It's banana, y'all, but banana.
It's banana.
Oh yeah, that is how they banana.
Banana.
Banana. All right, y'all. Gonna take it
Oh
like
look,
a
they
G.
have like a little.
Oh, like a spin the wheel?
Yeah.
All right, so let me do that and you pick the color. All right, so y'all see what it's on right now, right? So I'm not cheating. I'm not gonna get the good one, promise. They actually got it set up pretty nice too.
You do.
Yeah. All right, spinning time.
Who going first?
Hmm?
Who going first?
We're gonna get the same color. It's just basically like, you see how they do it? Sour apple, minion fart is in the
Oh,
same
okay, okay,
category.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
How I land on the same spot?
Do it again.
Anyways, keep landing at the same spot.
In the middle.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
There we go.
So we have
no.
chocolate pudding and canned dog food. All right, so you pick one, I pick one. Let's
It's
see
the
how
brown one too.
As we all know, them brown ones, they be good sometimes, but all right, you ready? You ready? So
Yeah.
1, 2. I don't like how dark mine's is. Hold up, that's a look. Mine's
You don't
like,
know which one is one.
Mine's is stupid dark.
It could
Hold
be the
up.
chocolate pudding that's dark. I think the chocolate pudding is dark. Well, you wouldn't know until you try it. So.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
I got a chocolate pudding. It's good too.
I might as well feed this to Raven.
It ain't that bad now.
You want to taste it?
I got good luck, no? I'm good.
Yeah, I bet. Even the wine ain't doing that, man.
Okay, next one.
All right. Oh, I didn't even flick it right. Tutti Frutti
Or stinky socks.
Oh, I know this gonna suck.
Wait, which one is that one?
All right, so it ain't that dark one. It's like the lighter color one, like that.
This one? Oh yeah, it is that one.
Hold up, no, I lied. It's this one.
Oh yeah, it is that one.
It's that one.
Okay.
All right.
Ooh, your breath stink. Your breath stink from that first one.
Hey man, look.
It smelled like dog food for real.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3. I got Tutti Frutti.
I got the stinky socks.
I lied.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think we both got the stinky socks.
we definitely did. See, it had that kind of like
Fruity taste?
Yeah, it had a fruity
But then
taste
it
at
tastes
first.
weird.
Yeah, and you still eating it. You like stinky socks?
It don't taste that bad.
So we already did Tutti Frutti, Stinky Socks, chocolate pudding, canned dog food. Alright, so I still got that taste in my mouth. Sour apple or minion fart. Oh,
Ooh.
oh man, I kind of want to skip that. I thought
Here you
it's
go.
gonna suck. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my.
Oh, your birthday.
You can legit taste the gas.
I can smell the gas. Your breath is kicking. Oh my god.
It's not that bad now.
No, smell.
Ooh.
Yo, hit that one more time.
I can still taste it.
I can still smell it.
Let's just go to the next one.
Just let's do that. Like that.
Smell it.
Alright. So we got juicy pear or booger.
That's this one here.
I ain't ready.
Here you go.
Nah, that one got a little brown in it. I don't trust it.
That might be the juicy pear. Anyways, 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Why am I getting all the bad ones? Oh, you got it too. What is it, juicy pear?
Pears don't taste like that.
It is a little salty, like a booger. Oh.
I feel like we need mouthwash after this. Alright. Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
Oh no.
Oh, hell no.
I already had 2 bad ones in a row.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this at Ross next time we go in there. I'm gonna throw this at the employees, but them even putting this in the dead fish.
Wait.
It's just with my luck. I know I'm about to get dead fish. Don't be trying to choose.
I'm not choosing.
Don't be trying to cheat. You cheating.
Come on.
You know you cheating.
I'm not. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it tastes like sardines. Give me my wine. I need it.
Yo, we ain't never going back. Yo, I almost threw up off that John.
It tastes like sardines.
I still remember that throw up almost coming out my mouth.
Okay, I think those were the worst ones. Alright.
Hold up, I need a second. Hold on. That was too much. That's too much. Alright, I'm good.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm good.
No, okay.
It took me, man.
Next one.
Why am I getting all the bad ones?
I am too.
Nah, you got the better ones.
I had dead fish and the booger.
Same one.
And the other one that was bad.
I had dead fish, the booger, and the stinky sock, man. The only one you got on me is the minion fart.
What's that one?
Oh, hell no. Barf?
Well, peach or barf. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. That's this one too. Here you go.
What you mean that's this one too?
That's this one.
Oh. I swear for God. Yo, if this is the barf, yo, video over. Video over.
Come on.
I'm throwing up. 1, 2. Wait. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that peach. It was nasty. Mine's good. How's yours?
Yeah, that joke got my eyes watering.
For real?
Yeah.
It was that bad? It tastes like barf for real?
It started off with the peach flavor. I don't know what happened.
Then it just tastes like barf.
Yeah, it's like the more I bit into it, like it started like coming out.
That's how they trick you.
And it was like, it was real. Oh man, that shit was harsh.
Next one.
I think that was worse than the dead fish right there.
For real?
Yeah, it caught me off guard.
It can't be as worse as the what's that first? What's the one I had? The minion fart. It can't be as bad as that one.
Nah, man, you ain't at the point of your eyes watering. You don't know this life, the struggle I got going on, and to go on spoiled milk. That's gonna and that's kind of in the middle.
We'll do the pencil shavings or banana.
Did we already do the toothpaste?
Not yet.
I'd rather do the toothpaste, man.
Ready?
Yo, they harsh with it. They don't care. All right, yeah.
1,
2,
2, 3. I got a better ends.
Yeah, I got 2.
Kinda got a minty taste. Not too bad. Okay, next one.
Kind of tastes like the banana. A
The
little bit.
banana.
Got that little fruit taste to it. You know what I mean?
The banana.
Ooh.
Oh no, that might be worse than the fart one.
Ooh.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
Oh.
There you go.
Ooh, I'm ready for this game to be over.
I think I'm gonna choose. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. 1.
Don't need some more
Wait,
wine
no,
for
this the banana one. 1,
I'm a G.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3. I got the butter popcorn. What you got?
I got a different flavor. It's not tastes like.
It don't taste like rotten egg? Oh.
You got me banana.
Yeah, I did.
This is the one we were supposed to be eating.
I had banana too. Cause it did taste like banana. It didn't taste like butter popcorn.
Nah.
What's that? Oh, okay. Ready?
Yeah, you thought.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Mm-mm. Oof. Mm. Oof.
I ain't got no more wine.
But that one is not as worse as the fart. That fart one was real nasty. Okay.
I'm serious about you brushing your teeth too, man. For
I'm gonna
real.
brush my teeth.
For real,
you
man.
brush your teeth.
For real, man. Your joint gonna be on 10 tonight. Oh, we already did that.
Toothpaste.
And toothpaste.
There you go.
I think the spoiled milk might take the cake. Honestly. 'Cause
No, it's berry blue or toothpaste.
No, I'm saying I think the coconut and the spoiled milk gonna take the cake. I don't like spoiled milk at all.
All right.
Man.
1, 2, 3. God damn it.
Yeah, I got toothpaste.
I got toothpaste too.
You need it anyways.
It don't taste that bad.
No, it's toothpaste.
Do you sit here and eat toothpaste?
Hell, I'll eat it after all this crap we done ate, girl. Man, I'll tear up some toothpaste right now.
Oh, this is the last one?
Nope. Spoiled milk, I think we made it.
All right. Spoiled milk or coconut. 1,
This is how you prove you a man.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3. That is the worst one.
That's what I got.
Coconut. Give me one of these toothpaste ones.
I ain't doing that no more.
Alright guys, so that completes the Beanboozled challenge.
Yeah, 'cause
I
I ain't doing that no more.
hope you guys liked the video.
So
Don't
bad.
forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below on what you guys suggest or think we should do for our next videos. Bye!